perceives all things conjoined. The past, the future, and the present. Everything flows, and all is connected. This eye is not merely seeing reality, it is touching the truth.
Well, I wasn't actually planning on running today, but it rained for like 15 minutes maybe, but it was so strong, it was beautiful, and I love the smell that comes after rain. It's called petrichor.
Petrichor.
And it's just so much fun running after the rain. So I'm gonna get back to it. The winds were so strong, it's just literally demolished everything. You can see trees broken down, there's another one there. And just like stuff is all around, is all else. So check that out. Another broken tree. That's two. Just like, look at this. It's so beautiful. Like, I'm trying to make a habit of running 5k every day, but the calf muscles are the ones that hurt the most. I know I can do more than 5k, but it's just like about conditioning my calves right now to be able to do this. And to be honest, I don't get how people like Casey Neistat like record and run, because it just breaks the whole flow. You need some level of dedication and commitment to be able to stop, put the camera at one place, go back, come back, like some of the shots you might have seen. To be able to do this at a consistent pace, and especially someone like Casey who is daily vlogging, like hats off, man. Right now, for me as a beginner runner, it's just about like getting that pace, getting that rhythm, keeping that consistency. So I'm gonna try and do that and take as many shots as possible. But not gonna let that hinder the way of me running, because that's the base habit I've got to build first. Peace. So I just got home and I had this idea. You know, everyone has their cool hashtags, 100 days of sweat, or that's the only one I can think of right now. I always wanted to make something cool and creative like that, and I just thought of this, and it rhymes. And it's something that I've been practicing as well, and I might just want to continue doing it. So anyway, drum roll please. Okay, what I call it is 5k every day. Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! It's as simple as that. You run 5k every day and you join the 5k everyday club. That could be super lame or it could be super cool, depending on who all actually end up following it. So if you do, go for it. Let me know. Use the hashtag 5k every day, and I shall stalk it after 1 year and see how it went. give it to me, but he wants to play and like make me like take it and stuff. See, and hey, क्या कर रहा है? क्या कर रहा है? कहाँ है बॉल? कहाँ गया? कहाँ गया बॉल? कहाँ है? He's looking for it. कहाँ है? कहाँ है बॉल?